So, dear friends, Mr. Bhupati became very furious once the Economic Times published coaching scam jolts ICAI, Bhupati involved. The sum and substance of such big article was that the president of the institute, can he run a coaching center? And he was, as a central council member, he was running and using the platform. Full evidence is there, promoting his coaching classes. Wherever you see Prime Academy, and you can see the professors of Prime Academy, MP Vijay Kumar ji, Pattabhiraman, and another fellow, Mr. R. Shiv Kumar, he is not a director, but he is the link to them. Legally, he says he is not linked. So, but he takes class in the Prime Academy only. So then he was ably supported by Manoharan. He is also a very famous income tax professor, and so he was roaring success. All this were going on. It is become a one-man show. Power, power, power. And I am a small fry. And Bhupati also thinks I am nothing. In fact, we will see as we move on what happened. So, actually I know many CA presidents, past presidents commented that president should not take classes, should not run coaching centers, he should not be associated with the coaching centers. Then he was not involved, his wife is 1/3 share is there. Other partners are MP Vijay Kumar and Pattabhiraman. So he said that I am not connected with this, something like that. Then another situation came, his son wrote the exam and he passed the exam. That also I am no way connected, I never commented on him, because I am basically not, whether he does it or not, he is misusing, everybody knows. And mere fact that you say he is not able to take it, Bhupati. One of the reasons is that Mr. Bhupati believed that he is a president, means a very powerful post. And as per the constitution of CA also, president is given sweeping powers, even though they talk in terms of council. Council members are expecting to become vice presidents, then they want to become presidents, they want to travel abroad, they want to enjoy that position. Why should you confront the president, who will be the final authority giving co-options, committees and all? Alright. And I had Mr. Santan Krishnan. I used to tell him, sir, I have no interest on fighting with people. Again he used to go on talk. See, you may ask question, what happened to my mind? I could have easily said no, but I also wanted to go with him. That gave impression that I am worried about Prime Academy. And Prime Academy are very popular teachers, highly capable persons. Anytime they are more capable, very popular, and highly supportive. Entire CA institution is behind them with Manoharan backing, and the council, everything is with them. Who am I? I am an ordinary teacher, depending on the institute classes and all. I am doing my job, and I was only a chartered accountant, not even doing practice also, only interested in teaching. Sorry, matter has started. In the last page they have written about this thing. So I would request you to see what is the report that has come in, and this was the report. Economic Times published it, and The Institute of Chartered Accountants India regulate has come under cloud. Allegations are being levelled against President Bhupati over the running of private coaching center for CA students in his wife's name. The coaching center is called Prime Academy, has become branches Chennai. Interestingly, large number of 18,000 students have got national rankings. That's what he says. Actually, it has helped this fellow to make more money. Last week he said very busy and celebrations and therefore did not have time to respond. He relented later to say that he had no connection whatsoever with the academy. Asked if it was run by his wife, he said, I can't tell you that, I don't want to discuss these things with you. A question faxed by Rajiv Maharshi, he became CAG, Secretary Department of Government Nominee in the ICA Council too, did not elicit any reply. Then ICA President not willing to elaborate, Maharshi refusing to answer either to the question or to take phone calls. The exact extent of it is very clear. However, information about this. So they went and asked one Mr. Nariwala, past president. Again that fellow says, I don't know the exact facts. It is true that the president or chairman of the examination council sees the question papers. Maybe in this case, maybe being upright and honorable person, himself is telling as he may have seen the questions and yet haven't closed with them. Here this Nariwala, that gentleman, is trying to be cat on the wall, and so he is telling but he is not telling. Council have to look into, and then it will be up to the disciplinary committee to take a decision. This is what institute will never take cases against these presidents. Institute students say, now came this problem. Incidentally, Sharp CA Students Journal in its latest edition has reported that Prime Academy has reached an annual turnover of more than 1 crore thanks to its success in getting students with national rankings. I didn't say anything. Now that became national news and it became big and all. This fellow Mr. Bhupati, as the president, he writes, the presidents of the institute will have the habit of telling everybody to follow ethics standards and all, and Manoharan is the captain of this advices, and he is like Vedavyas, and we will see that. Then in this case, this man, what he says, you see, this month has seen a number of media reports on the institute's allegations have been made regarding the observance of propriety in the examinations and financial and administrative irregularities. The council of the institute examined all the relevant issues in detail and has decided that all have been observed. The needed checks and balances are in place, and therefore nothing further needs to be done. You see how the institute today, the institute stands denuded with all the powers. Nefra has come, and you see this person, and you see the signature how he signs on the other side, because somebody told him, astrologer, if you put the signature that side, you will grow bigger and bigger everywhere. So then this chap, see how what is telling, somebody is making allegations, and then this council member, again the same council members and this president, they feel there is nothing not required. So that is the reason what Modi ji in the open meeting reprimanded the institute for their misbehaviors. Okay, now you see here, now Bhupati, he cannot fight with the papers, and he is scared man, suppose some action is taken against him, you will see how things will be there as we move on. Then he got angry. So now the Mr. Bhupati became highly disturbed. Can a president be treated like this? So immediately what he did, you see, after these things, this fellow, one N.S. Srinivasan, and he has nothing to do with the institute or with me or anything. Immediately he filed a case in July 2003, and here he is very closely associated with one society of auditors. Many others also there who are also very critical about the functioning of institute. They have written letters also. And in July that paper came. Immediately Bhupati wanted to take action against me and crush. It is not action, and he thinks that, as I told you, he is the President of the United States or more than that. So August 1st he did is, this fellow complained against me. His complaint is that this Venkat Shivakumar is a fellow who is teaching in CA Institute, and he is conducting classes. How can this man continue after writing against Bhupati? And because of his writings only, Economic Times and other papers have come to know about frauds of institute are taking place. This fellow should not be there in the scene of the institute. That was the possibly this chap who got co-option